5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have liftoff. The vehicle's pitching downrange. Booster check your pressure is nominal.
Attempting to catch the booster at the tower. This would be the second tower catch.
Booster
Landing burn. Seeing 13 engines.
Booster now hovering as it aligns with the tower for catch.
Booster coming in. Get
Down
ready
to-
for that boom, Kate.
Down to 3 engines.
Booster landing burn shutdown. Nakamura has caught the booster.
Back to some breaking news on that SpaceX Starship that lost comms with SpaceX right after launch. SpaceX is now saying there was a rapid, unscheduled disassembly. And look at this video. We cannot confirm that that's breakup from the Starship, but it did happen right when the ship was confirmed lost on the live stream. I want to bring in Marissa Parra, who's joining us now. And we want to be careful, obviously, because, you know, still can't say 100% with certainty that that's what it is. Experts are saying it potentially looks like that, right? Talk us through sort of what has happened here. Tom joined us earlier and told us how SpaceX did confirm that they lost comms here and that there was this, you know, rapid disassembly, which is sort of
absolutely.
Yeah, aerospace speak for it came apart.
Right. So, Hallie, I'll start with what we know, then I'll get into the question.